Okay, Jack de Graaf, Director Global Sustainability, Janssen Pharmaceutical Companies Johnson&Johnson. Jack, how is choosing locations linked to your environmental policies at Johnson&Johnson?
Well, first of all, we have a sustainability strategy, and that sustainability strategy is built on three pillars, so to speak. The first one is supply chain stewardship, which is basically about the greening of our products. It's not greenwashing, it's actually providing green value to the products. That's the one strategy. The second strategy would be on supply chain stewardship. So that's basically the environmental stuff like the energy reduction goals, the water reduction goals, green chemistry, those kind of elements. And the third pillar would be access to medicines, and that's a very important issue because we believe within Johnson&Johnson that everybody on this planet has the same right of access to medicines everywhere, every place for reasonable pricing. Which means, if you would compare, for instance, Africa to America or Europe, even in the sub-Saharan African countries, there are 33 million people suffering from HIV/AIDS. The medicines that we make are mostly produced in the northern hemisphere, so to speak. So how are the people in Africa going to take advantage of what we make in Europe or the US? So one of the sustainability strategies coming from access to medicines is to provide the technology into the sub-Saharan countries and to actually produce the medicines in those countries and therefore providing access to those medicines. So in order to do so, we gain access to that market and therefore have a huge population of people that have access to medicines.
Great. Jack de Graaf, Janssen Pharmaceutical Companies Johnson&Johnson, thank you very much for your time.